Magic Mould Remover Gel review. Is it worth it? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. If you're dealing with stubborn mold in places like your bathroom or kitchen and want a simple way to remove it without heavy scrubbing, the next couple of minutes will show you how this gel works and whether it's actually worth trying. This product is designed as a thick cleaning gel that sticks to surfaces instead of running off like liquid cleaners. That makes it especially useful for vertical areas such as tile grout, silicone seals, sinks, and corners where mold tends to build up. The idea is simple. Instead of scrubbing right away, the gel sits on the surface and works on breaking down the mold over time. Using it is very straightforward, even if you've never used a product like this before. The first step is applying the gel directly onto the moldy area. Because of its thick texture, it stays in place once applied. The second step is leaving it on the surface for several hours so it can work effectively. Many people leave it overnight for better results, especially on tougher stains. The third step is wiping or rinsing the area clean after the waiting time. In many cases, the mold appears lighter or completely removed after one application, though heavily affected areas may need a second round. One of the main advantages of this type of cleaner is that it reduces the need for intense scrubbing. Since the gel is designed to do most of the work, it can save time and effort compared to traditional cleaning methods. It also helps reach areas that are usually difficult to clean, such as tight edges and seal lines. The product is commonly used in bathrooms, around bathtubs, shower doors, sinks, and even window edges where moisture builds up. These are areas where mold often returns, so regular cleaning can help maintain a cleaner surface over time. Another thing to keep in mind is consistency and proper use. Applying the gel evenly and allowing enough time for it to sit on the surface can make a noticeable difference in results. Rushing the process or wiping it off too early may reduce its effectiveness. So is Magic Mold Remover Gel worth it? For people looking for a simple, low-effort way to deal with mold in hard-to-clean areas, it can be a practical option. Its thick formula, easy application, and reduced need for scrubbing make it a convenient choice for maintaining cleaner surfaces in areas where mold tends to appear.